Hello guys, Bird here and welcome to the channel. So I built my first custom mechanical keyboard and this is it. It is white and simple and I'm happy and satisfied with it. But I know I'll want more since this hobby is very addictive and you just want to try everything that's out there. You want to try these different switches, stabilizers, the keyboards, keycaps, the anything. But for now, I'm happy with this, and let's just see what this will bring us. So this keyboard I built on a budget and bought everything online for around 4,000 pesos. And if you are a beginner like me and wanted to start this hobby and don't know where to start, this video may help you on that. So this keyboard build is an out-of-the-box experience. So I didn't try to modify it yet by lubing or adding some good stabilizers or foam molding or whatnot. So for this keyboard build, I only use three parts. First, we have the keyboard bare bones, the switches, and the keycaps. For the bare bones, I chose the Rocklamang Pro bare bones. So I chose it because it is first, it's on my budget. Second, it has a universal hot swappable features with Bluetooth connectivity, and it is very solid for your entry level keyboards. And also, it is a TKL size keyboard, which I really prefer. Next would be the switches. I chose the Gateron Yellow SMD Pros since it is pre-lube, which is very friendly for us beginners, and it is linear since I would like to try linear switches coming from a blue switches. And third, it has a clear white housing, so it is very friendly with your RGB if you want. So lastly, the keycap. So it's just simple. You have just to order what's your preference color, profile, and some designs. So for me, I just wanted a simple one that's white. And first, I didn't know that there are many different keycap profiles. So we have the cherry profile, the XDA, the OM, and others. And luckily, the keycaps that I ordered is cherry profile and it fits well with my keyboard and my preference. So once you have all the parts you needed, it is very easy and also satisfying to build. So first, I just have to have a clear space. So first, prepare everything. Lay down your keyboard bare bones. Your put all your switches in a box or anything that's very easily accessible. And we have the keycaps. And then make sure the pin in your switches are straight and not bent. So everything you have to do is just insert all the switches to the board and just make sure the pins aligns to the pinholes and just press firmly and do it on all switches. And after that, just insert also the keycaps. And after that, just pause and actuate everything. And also, don't mind the expenses. And then you may start firmly pressing everything so that they are in place. And then, there you go. You have the keyboard. My first custom keyboard. So this is how it sounds. For me, it just sounds alright as this is a out of the box experience. I know there are things that I can do to make it sound better and have a better typing experience. So overall, I'm satisfied with my keyboard, my first custom mechanical keyboard. As to its performance, it's good. It's very responsive while I was playing and doing other stuff. The Bluetooth connectivity is also good for my office use. The build quality is also good, although it's more in plastic, but the price justifies it. It's good looking, it's great, and I have no issues with it. The scroll bar is also nice. I love using it, and yeah, and also you can have many different RGB effect on this one. So if you want a more in-depth review on this keyboard, so please comment down below, and I'm gladly help you on this one. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please click that like button and hit subscribe. So I will be doing more of this. And that's it.